What is up, y'all? We are back with another aquarium update. And today we are adding some more fish. Look at that. So right here in this bag right here, this is our 10-gallon tank that we've been working on. We've had this for about a month and only one of these guppies ended up dying, but I think I know the reason for that. So these guys are really aggressive feeders, and I think the smaller one, it ended up not getting enough food because I would see it not getting the food as much, and it would kind of stay below when they were feeding. So I think the other ones might have bullied it out. But that's gonna happen in a tank. These guys are schooling fish. They stay together, but sometimes there's just a runt, and not all of them live. So right here, we get our yellow guppies, but we also got 4 fancy guppies. So we got 2 yellowtail ones, but they do look a little bit different. As you can see, they get a lot more dots on them. We have a blacktail one. We also have an orange tail, which I think is right up here. Yeah, look at that guy. That's the coolest color. All of these yellow guppies in here doing really good, really healthy. As you can see, we got rid of the bowl. The bowl is now gone, and that is because the amount of times you have to clean the water is just a lot. You have to do probably half a week. Each half a week, you have to do a water change just because of how small the bowl was. The algae built up, the ammonia built up. Ended up having 2 of the ghost shrimp die. Added 2 more orange shrimp. Those died. And the big ghost shrimp eventually died too. So, that's it. Oh, forgot to say. Little snail in here, look at that. Little snail. Yellow mystery snail right there. So yeah, we're letting these guys acclimate. We'll get the whole setting up process on camera. We're gonna acclimate these guys, put them in the water. It's gonna be sweet. We're gonna see how they see with their new friends, their new tank. Let's do it. So we also got a new surprise right here. You guys have not seen this tank build yet, but I have this running via this filter out cycle for about a week and a half. You ready to see this? Bam, look at that. This tank, I'm very proud of. So, I'm learning more about the greenery and stuff. I got more plants in here, but eventually I want to have this tank so all around you can see plants everywhere, have plants on the decorations, all that, have it elevated more. You know that typical tank you see with all the greenery in there. So yeah, this cycling, we got this Tetra 60 filter on here. This thing I had to buy because another filter that came with this tank, as you can see, it's been used before, pretty rusty. Cleaned it all up, it's looking great now. We had to get a new filter. This guy was on there. And yeah, it's pretty much ready to add fish. And that's exactly what we're doing today. So for the fish we have today, 3 dwarf gouramis. Look at these guys. These guys are pretty. Yep, we're adding these guys today to this tank. This tank you guys have not seen. I have not said anything about it. We're gonna get this set up too. We'll just catch the old process, adding the fish in on camera. Let's do it. All right, let's look at this tank. So what I've noticed is these two fancy yellow guppies right here, they like to hang out with the other yellow guppies. Obviously they're not the same exact species, and I was gonna bring up something else, but this red one is staying with the group now. But before, when I just looked, the red one and the black one were over here doing their separate things. The black one's still doing that. So it seems like maybe they'll end up joining the school in a little bit, but for now they're gonna kind of go their own ways, figure stuff out. And all the fancy ones I did get from the same tank. They are different colors, but they are the same kind of guppy, just different colored. So they're gonna hang out together, and it seems like they're doing really well in here. As for the snail, he's chilling on the bottom. Not doing much, just doing his thing, you know, cleaning up and stuff. Back to the 50. You can see these guys pretty well. They're pretty reflective. They all went to the bottom. These two guys are showing out here, and I think the other one should be somewhere around here. Not exactly sure, but did see the third one. I don't know where he is now, but these two hanging out in the middle of the tank. And I bet you they'll go hide everywhere. See, he's hiding behind this. Yeah, not sure where the third one is. Not on the top. But yeah, these guys are gonna like this tank. We're eventually gonna add some more stuff into here. Probably gonna add a school fish, maybe some sharks, but I don't think sharks would be a good fit because they're pretty aggressive. Yeah, the third one's down here. So there's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, these guys are gonna be a good addition to this tank, and we'll see how it goes. But for that's all for the video, y'all. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. As for fishing videos, haven't really got to that lately. Still trying to figure out some stuff to do, but I do have an idea coming up. We're probably gonna get to that soon. So yeah, thank you for watching. Peace out.